If you are an ambitious individual who has goals and aspirations for 2025, watch this video. You need to start now. The Winners New Year is starting in the next couple of days, and it is the prime time to start on your goals for 2025. So you need the inertia and the momentum and the running start for 2025 in order to get your goals done effectively and actually bring them to actualization. If you imagine it, you have a business goal, then you need to get ahead of the competition, and the majority of people will be starting January 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and some even start in February. So if you start now, at the end of December, you're getting this 2-week advantage on the competition. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18, I help lazy people turn productive using tactical techniques and strategies that help me go from a gamer who spent 210 days of his life playing Call of Duty to someone who effortlessly and easily breezes through large banks of work for his business, education, and personal development goals. And I want to dominate 2025. I want to turn it into my most productive year, and for that, I need this head start. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the one tip that I would advise for 2025. Listen, I'm not trying to do some woo-woo bullshit advice in this video. I'm trying to give you actionable advice to get a good head start on 2025 and productively and ambitiously complete your goals. So, this is the tip for you. Instead of having goals and having intangible ambitions, you need to have specific objectives with time-bound criteria. So for me, I want to have 108 YouTube videos posted by March 31st, 2025. So Q1 of 2025, I want to have £1,000 invested, £1,000 in cash savings, and I want to have sold every single one of the products that are coming in the future of my channel. This is by Q1 of 2025. I want to have scaled my trading account to £250 in a personal trading account, and these actionable objectives are quantifiable and have an obvious linear progression to complete them. Whereas a woo-woo goal of, I want to earn £10,000 in 2025, with no time-bound goal, it's not going to happen, because you can get to January, oh, I'll do it in February because there's no time-bound goal. I'll get to February, I'll do it in March, there's no time-bound goal. I'll do it in April, June, July. It goes on and on until you reach December, and then you finally lock in because the end of the year is coming, and you've wasted the entire year because you had no time criteria on the goals you want to complete. You need objectives. Objectives are the next step. Objectives are the tasks. Objectives are what you need to get done to achieve the goal. So my goal is YouTube success. I want to turn this YouTube into a monetizable success so I can help people, help myself, and it's a win-win for my community, and I'm helping people turn from lazy to productive. That's my thing. But yeah, I want to make this YouTube a success. I want to make it a great success and turn it monetizable so I can help you while helping me, and it's a win-win for the productive community. Turning lazy people productive is what I want to do, but that is not time bound. It's kind of linear in regard, if I post more videos, I'll probably get more subscribers, but there's no measurable objective to complete next. There's no next step, and the objective for me in order to garner the YouTube success is post 4 videos a week until Q1 of 2025. So by March 31st, 2025, I want to have posted 108 videos, which means by then I've posted 4 videos a week consistently until that date. Similarly, I want to compound my income and turn it into more than it is. So the investment account for that is just for that. So I want to have £1,000 invested, that's quantifiable. I want £1,000 in cash savings, that's quantifiable. I want £250 in my personal trading account, that is quantifiable. And therefore I have quantifiable objectives that are relevant to me, and they're time bound and they're attainable. I can post 108 YouTube videos by then. It seems like a lot, and it is a lot of work, but I'm posting 7 this week. So 4 is 3 less than that. I can attain it. It is attainable for me. So what can these objectives look like for you? There's a reverse destination planner that I will put in the top comment. Just drop me an email saying reverse destination planner, or I want this. I'll send it over so you can print it out, fill it out, and you have the next step. So it starts with your destination. What do you want? For me, I want £5,000 a month income next year, and I want to help people become productive. Then you break it down, task, task, task. On the back of the task, you have two further tasks to aid the main task. So you have goal, objective, task, task. objective, task, task, objective, task, task. And those 9 objectives with 3 main and 6 sub-objectives, you will find the productive tasks get done, and therefore you can make measurable and attainable objectives in order to garner the success you want in 2025. But most importantly, work them out now, gather the inertia, gather the momentum of productivity, and hit 2025 running. This is the winner's new year. It starts now. It doesn't start January 1st. It doesn't start December 31st. It doesn't start in February. It starts now to get ahead of the competition, because if you want success, you need to work harder than the competition. You need to post more videos. You need to do more outreach. You need to make more products. You need to sell more products. This is how it works. And the winner's new year is something you need to implement. So the productive tactical advice from this video is use the reverse destination planner that I have in the comment or in the description below. Just drop me an email, say you want it, and I'll send you a printable version where you can mark it out, fill it out, and find out your next objective. Once you have the objective, mark it down somewhere and make it happen. In the description, I also have 45 plus productivity guides to aid you in your work and beating procrastination on the task. Because once you have it, a lot of people procrastinate, and then 2025 will turn into another year of failure. Whereas if you use the 45 productivity guides I put in the description, it's a playlist of all my content that I posted so far, all on the niche of productivity. You will succeed if you implement it and you work tactically and use these strategic tips in productivity. Fill out the planner, work out what you need to do, and get after it. Get after it now, get the head start, and make 2025 your year. I believe in you. I hope you do it. If you're looking to get more help from me, the top link in the description will take you to a meeting page where I can help you become productive using the tactical techniques and strategies that turn me from a 210-day deep gamer to someone who easily gets his work done. And I hope to help you turn 2025 into your year in productivity and help you complete your goals. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you.